We're back with a new vlog, and can I just say, I was going for like the slick back power move, but I feel this is more of like a George Washington vibe. I'll be right back. All right, that's much better. Much more me. I'm Sarah, welcome to my channel. Now, in my recent vlog, keeping my brand, but having to pay $999 to do so, I realized I kind of dropped the ball a bit in explaining exactly what was going on. I did have a couple of questions under that video about like why that happened, specifically from that other business's standpoint, like do they want to keep the domain? Are they going to use it now? Those kinds of questions. I don't want to rehash it back out. I finally got over it and I'm in a much better place about it. But essentially that company buys up old domains, and there are a bunch of them, or brokerage, I guess is what they're called. I don't really know. But they buy up old domains once they expire in hopes that the owner of the domain will come back and buy it from them for a profit. So I have rehashed out absolutely everything. I'm working on my new brand and I'm going to share it, just not yet. I want to put some things in place first and kind of, you know, make sure I'm all ready to go before I share it with you guys. So my channel will continue to be Pink Sugar Soapery until that point, which probably isn't that much longer. I'm thinking of like a January-ish timeline, and around then my channel will change. Which brings me to today's exciting vlog. My husband and I have decided that I'm going to make one of the rooms in our house my studio. I'm really excited. Up until this point, I've just been working out of my kitchen. I'm not looking for a studio away from home. That's just not in the cards for me right now, especially with the way sports go. The baby, having 3 kids, full-time job still. I wanted to have a studio that was in my house, so whenever I had time, I could run in there, do what I needed, and not have to worry about dragging everything from the closet to the kitchen, back to the closet. You know, you just, when you're making things, especially if you make things that have to dry, like bath bombs or soaps and things like that, I'm making them and just leaving them on my kitchen counter, which obviously isn't ideal. We're moving on to bigger and better things. Let me just show you what we're working on. So this is going to be my studio. I'm pretty excited. The lighting is fabulous in here. Originally, this was the baby's nursery, and for more reasons than one, we decided to move her upstairs. You know, this is on the main floor of the house, and it's not far at all. It's literally right at the bottom of the stairs, so it's not, you know, it wasn't too far away. But then when it actually became time to move the baby into here, I was like, I don't think so. So we moved her in with my daughter, who could not be happier to have her in there. And now I have all of this space to do with what I want. All right, so I do just have a few things left to take care of and move upstairs to the baby's room. Then I have like this random decor piece right there. These are some things that came for my new packaging and branding. I will open them and show you in just a second. That stuff, this needs to go up to the baby's room. And then here's her car seat and like my diaper bag and our stroller. I'm not exactly sure where I'm gonna go with those yet, because we do, I mean, obviously the car seat and the diaper bag we use a lot, but I don't want the stroller to go too far, so likely it will stay here for a while. We use our stroller all the time. So I'm really excited. This room has fabulous lighting, and I filmed, I'm sure you guys have seen, I filmed, it probably looked familiar to you. I filmed tons of videos in here before. Now, the only thing I can't really go anywhere is this area over here. This has like our modem and everything in it. So it doesn't have to be like on that table, but I don't really know where, like I can't move it, I guess is what I'm trying to say. So I'm not sure where I'm gonna, or how I'm going to, you know, make sense of that, or make sure there's a space for it that's also functional for me. The best part though is this right here. Let me just move some things and show you. It might just look like a regular closet. Is actually a second half of a bathroom. We have our powder room over behind here, but this is a shower, and then the closet. But my favorite part is I already live in this closet. This is where I store all of my things, the stuff that I'm working on, my ingredients, finished products, all of those kinds of things. My packaging is up there. I'm pretty pumped. I will be all finally in one space that I can actually call like mine, and I'm not sharing it with anything. So I am, well, you know, for the most part, I'm not sharing it with anything. So I'm very, very, very excited for that. One of the main points or things that I'm trying to convey for my new brand is luxury. I'm talking every single detail. I want it to be high class, luxury, very, very, very upscale. So for my candles, I did have these ombre vessels from 1617. I absolutely love them. If that's your vibe, totally recommend. But the two new vessels that I got to start out with are these. Look at how adorable that is. And then you take the lid off. I just love them so much. Here is the black, which is the second color that I got. I just really, really love the look of them. I'm very excited. I'm very excited to start making candles with them. I had to quickly put them on the floor to package up and send out a wholesale order. I definitely thought I had a box for it, but I didn't. But luckily, I had that box. So I'm going to need to put these away. This big box is from Uline, which will say, I have never ordered from Uline before. I've gotten their catalog a couple of times, but I've never placed an order. And when I was looking for something to make my candle experience like that much more, right? Like luxurious, I guess would be the way to say it. Uline had exactly what I was looking for. Well, I'm hoping. I haven't seen them in person yet, but I have high hopes that these will be exactly what I'm looking for. I ordered this literally yesterday and it is here today. The Uline warehouse is in Pennsylvania, and I don't live in Pennsylvania, but I live, you know, relatively close, I guess. So yeah, I ordered it yesterday, it came today. I can't ask for anything more than that, to be honest. But okay, let me see, let me show you. Alright. Oh, hang on. There's other stuff in here. I'm pretty excited. What do we have? All right, we've got some information cards, a full catalog, which actually I am glad they sent, because I know a lot of people get their like studio tables and such from here. They have good options for that, so I'm definitely going to keep that. All right, let's get to the goods. All right, so that's not what I was expecting. I think I was expecting them to come already assembled. So we have a gift box. It's actually very nice though. And then all the tops for the box. Let me see. Let me try and put this together real quick. Here is what it looks like, and it's very nice, but it's not really what I was expecting. It's not saying luxury to me, and this, the lid is a different, as you can see, a different finish than the bottom, which I'm not digging. Okay. I mean, it's definitely a nice box, but I just don't know. I also feel like it's way too tall. Maybe it's not, let me see. Actually, the height's probably good, because I'm sure I'll want to wrap, you know, I'll want to wrap like the inside to keep the candle safe anyway. Well, I'm gonna have to think about this, because again, it's a nice box. It just, the two separate finishes, not what I was going for. Darn it. Okay, well, minor setback. Yeah, I am a smidge disappointed. I really wanted them to like fully match. So maybe I just need to go back on and find a better option, because I really like the cost of them was excellent, and obviously, like I already said, the shipping was amazing. So maybe I just need to find something a little bit different from Uline. Now these are my new photography backdrops. I have a couple already that I got from Club Backdrops, but I ordered these from Etsy. That's funny, they're using a Uline tube. I ordered these from Etsy, so let's see. I almost went replica surfaces, but they're just so expensive. You know what I mean? And I'm sure they're worth it, but oh, this is nice. This is really, really thick paper. I got 2 of them. That's so nice. I got this white marble here. And then the other one I got is this concrete. Hopefully it focused, because I won't be able to tell if it focused. That is nice. That looks nice. I like that. I'm digging the vibe. Yeah, I knew. I definitely knew that that one was gonna look good. That's very nice. I like that. All right, so that's a win, a definite win. And the size on these was a 2x2. My Club Backdrop ones are quite a bit bigger. I can show you a size comparison if you want to see that. But I thought that the 2x2 would be just really good, so I can get some nice square photos, and then maybe use them for like making products, like product tutorial type of videos, instead of, you know, my kitchen counter. Just really cleaning things up and really making everything a bit nicer. Thanks as always for your support, and let me know, are you digging these vlog style videos? I hear from you guys in the comments, but I never know, like, are you more vlog, are you more let's just get some tips and get out of here? I personally think I like vlogging better, so you'll have to let me know, and I'll see you next week. Bye.